Hey everyone, let's open all of these stress balls that I got for Christmas. Let's start with this 6-pack of these Boba Bears. They all look super cute. Let's test the red one out first. Okay, so it's basically like a mini DNA ball. Okay, I really like these. Let's add them to my stress ball collection. Let's do this stretchy balloon dog. I feel like this is gonna be sand filled. Okay, yeah, it is sand filled. I always really like the sound these make. Let's add this with everything else. Let's do this big pack of Orbeez stress balls. They're all kind of like miniature, which I like. Let's open this blue one up. Whoa, these are mini Orbeez. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. This black one's really cool. I never really see like black stress balls, so this is cool. Here they all are open, and they kind of stick together like globbles, and I really like the colors of them. Add these to my stress ball collection. Now let's do this alien. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I love how it lights up. So this one's air-filled, and it has a bunch of glitter. Whoa, this one's really cool, you guys. Let's add this alien to the stress balls. Now for the last item, which is this little Paul sugar ball. I love this blue glittery color. Let's test it out. This is great. I love sugar balls. Super satisfying. Let's add it to the stress balls. So that was all these stress balls that I got for Christmas. Bye!